Today I'm making Napolitano cake. Napolitanos are Mexican iced orange flavored snack cakes with raisins. My nephew and I share a birthday, so I decided I wanted a giant Napolitano. So let's get started on the cake batter. The full list of ingredients will be in the video description. Into the bowl of a mixer, I'm adding 1 box of yellow cake mix, or orange if you can find it, 1 cup of orange juice, half a cup of vegetable oil, the zest of 1 orange, and 3 eggs. Now we're mixing this all on medium speed for about 2 minutes till everything is well combined. I'm going to mix half a cup of raisins into a small bowl of flour. This will help keep the raisins from sticking together and just sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once this is well mixed, we're adding it to the cake batter and folding in by hand. I'm going to use a loaf pan, and to ensure the cake doesn't stick, I'm using non-stick spray on the pan, covering the bottom and sides with a sheet of parchment paper, and topping off with some more non-stick spray before pouring in the cake batter. Next, I'm dropping the pan on the table a few times to get out any trapped air bubbles and putting into a 325-degree oven for 45 to 60 minutes, checking with a toothpick for doneness and letting cool completely before pulling out. I'm just running a spatula along the sides to loosen and lifting the cake out with the parchment paper. The chocolate topping can be a little messy, so I'm going to cover the sides in aluminum foil. I'm just folding the sides up to match the height of the cake and wrapping it like a present. In case you couldn't already tell by my wrapping skills, I prefer gift bags. Take a second to admire your cake present. And then we can get started on our chocolate topping. We're just making chocolate ganache here. Into a pot, we're going to mix 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, about 1 cup of heavy cream, and mix over medium heat until chocolatey and smooth. Just like this. Now let's frost our cake. Okay, maybe don't do this. I'm taking the chocolate off the heat and stirring until it cools and thickens a bit more before trying to cover the cake again. Much better. Remember how we covered the sides in foil? You're about to see why. Just grab a spoon and spread the chocolate all over. Yeah, it's gonna get everywhere. That's fine. Set it in the fridge to cool and let's make some royal icing. Or something close to it. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Into a bowl, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of meringue powder, and whisking together to combine evenly. Now I'm going to add some water and start mixing. Oh no. Guys, I f***ed up. Alright, I can fix this. Just add some more sugar. Maybe a little more. This might take a while. Just keep adding sugar until it's nice and thick. Yeah, this looks alright, I think. Next we're going to pour this into a piping bag so I can pipe some lines onto the cake. And I f***ed up. Alright, back into the bowl, and I'm going to add some more sugar. Just throw it in and mix it till it gets even thicker. This won't leak out of the bag, right? Good enough. I'm going to make a practice line on the cutting board to test my line drawing skills and check the consistency. Yeah, looks fine. And we're just piping some evenly spaced lines on top of the chocolate. Yeah, looks even to me. Now set this back into the fridge to harden until you're ready to serve.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Mikey. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You do too, and you do too. Yay! There you go.
I upload every Thursday. If you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. Thanks for hanging out for my birthday. Hope to see you next time.